then we're gonna do small activity together. With me, Nana, and Kishore as well. Once we do the team building, we will come up with small objective that what we're gonna do for coming month, and then we're gonna sum up quickly that what we have done in last 5 minutes and what coming workshop we're gonna do for month. So conclusion and summarizing the workshop, and that's all for today. So today we are not gonna anything new or anything you don't know. So it's gonna be very simple activity, and we're gonna do that also with you. So it's not gonna be that difficult. So it's gonna be fun. It's just like you are meeting your family member, or just like you are meeting your friends. So similar like that activity we have created. So let's start. Yeah, already was in the slide. So I'm gonna start with who. Just a second, let me create on the presentation board. Are you able to see the full screen, or are you seeing yourself, Kishore?
I'm seeing the presentation,
Only?
not in presentation mode, so I can see the entire screen.
You can see the entire screen. Okay, give me a moment. Uh, uh, uh.
I can try sharing the screen,
Okay, okay.
and then I can go accordingly. Yes.
So,
Yeah. Okay. Can all of you see the presentation?
not yet. It's coming, I guess. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Great. So now we are here.
Yes. So I'm gonna start with who we are. You are already seeing three people: me, Kishore, and Nana. And how we started this club or activity for learning for sustainability. That at one fine day we decided what we can make a change, and meanwhile we keep working on some small activity, uh, which is helping us to form who we are today. So we were a student at Center of Learning Research Interdisciplinary, and we all have similar intention goal for future for education, and that how we ask people to join us with similar interests. And we are 8 members. Me, Kishore, and Nana are from India. Fatima is from Lebanon. Rajiv is from India. He worked in different places in Mexico and Dubai for different meteorology as a teacher. Um, the girl is a Romanian. She's also working in Master at Cree, Shibu and Yakshit. So we all are educators and focusing on quality education and how we can care about science and learning to different methodology. So that's how we started. We are from different countries. We are colleagues, friends, and families. We are partnered with 10 different schools, an association, and we do so on with our activities. So, Kishore, can you go to the next slide? Yes, so I give briefly that how we started. So in Paris at Center of Research Interdisciplinary, we have one day where we call Discovery Day. As you have annual day in the school, we have similar kind of day that where we come all together with professors, researchers, and that's the day we decided where Cree have started their main aim. And that's the day we all three decided that what we can bring a change in education. Uh, After that, we in 2019 we enroll ourselves in one competition called O17 Challenge in Geneva, where we have to work in particular format, that how we can identify the problem and what exact the problem is and how we would like to tackle this problem. So we enroll ourselves, we define our problem, we troubleshoot for the idea for coming years, what we can work on that, and with world's renowned very renowned people who are part of UNESCO and working with different education and policy methods. They were our mentors, and they help us a lot to define the problem identification and how we can work on for coming years. After that, in 2019, in a Bali, there is one program called Green School Bali Festival, where they work with only sustainable problems, that how we can bring the sustainability in teaching, in environment. So it's mostly based on a very open program where any teacher can go and work on the sustainable model for 1 week. We got funding for that. We all three went to Bali to do a workshop, and we did with local Balinese and international people there, that on the different methodology as we are doing right now with students. After that, we in 2020 March, we want to create a workshop, a 10-day school in Patna, and we got funding for that to create a workshop, to create different kind of workshop with Patna school, with student, what we can learn together and build something for community. And this student will belong to farmers family, and they were extraordinary to dealing with technology. uh, we have done that after 2020 the COVID hit, as we all know, and we decided to go on the virtual level. We have prepared few series of workshop for learning people or different community, that what we can learn, like 3D printing, laser cutting, problem identification, and different learning method. So that we did from October to December for 3-4 series of the workshop with the similar people. And we wanted to upgrade ourselves, not limited ourselves only to the teachers, but we were only to the student, but we would like to upgrade with teachers as well. And then that how we come to know about you, and we started doing this class for teacher training module, and we have come up with very beautiful framework with our team, and so far we're gonna do for coming one. So that's all about L4S and how we work and how we function, and that what we have done so far. Sure. Before that, I would like to introduce my team personally, that what we are doing, how we know each other, and what we are doing in our life, why we want to do it personally, and how it gonna make difference that you listen us for coming month. That I would like to know that how this activity gonna work. So I'm gonna give you the example that how we gonna do this activity. It's called team building activity. I'm gonna introduce my friend and colleague Kishore Shivakumar, and I'm gonna introduce, and for the coming few minutes, I'm gonna ask you to do the same thing, that how you can introduce your colleague or friend similar manner. So I'm gonna talk about Kishore, what he's doing. Kishore gonna do for someone else, and someone else gonna introduce for me. What we gonna do for coming few minutes, once I'm done, all the teacher, we will divide it in different breakout room, and then you all can do the similar activity, and in the end we will ask that who know who, and who share with who. So we will create a breakout room, and we will do the similar kind of activity. So I'm going to talk about Kishore now.
Nidhi, can I then stop sharing the screen?
Yeah.
Great.
So who is Kishore, how I met him, and how I know him personally, and what he doing in his professional life. So Kishore Shivakumar is from India, Chennai. We don't speak common language, so we also communicate in English. And we met at a CREE, and I was a part of the master course where I'm learning research and interdisciplinary methods in my course, and Kishore was learning education method. To understanding some guy is coming from India and working on education method, it was a very proud moment for me that not only women, mostly are teachers, but some men's also are part on this. And when I come to know about Kishore bachelor degree, it surprised me more. Kishore have done aeronautical engineering. If you see the salary package of aeronautical engineer and teacher, you know the difference, right? So I was more surprised when he accepted for this course and he wanted to be a teacher. And then I was so curious that what made him to think to be a teacher, leaving aeronautical fancy engineering job and come to France, where you don't know the language, you don't know the culture, you don't know the people, but you just here to change something in education. And whenever I get time, of course, as an Indian, we always have a common topic of food. So we always ask what we can eat together, and that's how we started. And Kishore was part of the master course where all the international people work together on the different method of education. Where Kishore's main interest is working with mathematical model, or how student can learn mathematical formula like plus minus, division, and all the small thing, and the literacy part, which is mostly considered as a cognitive science. So his main interest is how we learn uh, arithmetic and literacy. Then he have done different internship related to his interest in Paris in different world's renowned lab, where we have to, for this our validate our master, we have to do three different internship, and we have to defend that what we are doing and why we are doing every 3 months. So he have done three different internship, and then he wanted to do a PhD. And we used to part of the journey, he have applied world's renowned lab who are working with educational method in across the Europe, or I think he apply US, Australia, everywhere where he find that people are working on different education method. And right now he's doing his PhD in Netherlands. Uh, his main topic of the PhD that how he can promote higher order skill, higher order thinking skill in interdisciplinary for engineer student. So he again back to his engineering skill, and he's merging his main domain, which is education, that how he can upscale and upgrade the engineers to do better in their career. Meanwhile, he's also teacher at the CRE, where we were student once upon a time. That how he is teaching the digital scientist stretch for research method. So how we can integrate the digital method in science and research for education. So, and for coming apart from all this science, we he always ready to create framework whenever I ask for L4S and other activities and some other stuff. Maybe I don't know, but that's all for Kishore. Now Kishore can go on with a similar kind of activity. Thank you so much. All
Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much, Nidhi. And I'm just going to be very short in view of the time because we planned to finish the introduction by 2 minutes ago. So I will introduce Naina Goel. Naina Goel is also from India, Delhi, and I met her during my master's at CRE in Paris, where she opted for AIV, which is biology-related interdisciplinary masters. And I still remember that I saw her we had a very brief and very intense interaction during our discovery week. It's not a discovery day, discovery week, and that's when we exchanged our ideas and shared our passion for education. Basically, Nena is driven by the her nature to break traditional barriers and traditional approaches in education, teaching, and learning. And her school experience, being denied the opportunity to show her uniqueness, made her to strive in education. And she's all about creating personalized learning for students and even for teachers, and how can they show their uniqueness and not get lost in the common standards our education standards set up. And she also is an excellent researcher. She's a PhD researcher in one of the world-renowned universities in Belgium, KU Leuven University, and she is all about making open science and making science uninstitutionalized. So she wants to make a garage lab and teach students science, how to do research, and not in a very academic fashion, but you can do it on your own. And apart from that, she's a very enthusiastic person and very honest and straightforward. And one thing that I would like to tell about her that she may not know is that she can be very brutal, but with very good intention at heart. So that is about Neena Goyal for you, and thank you. Neena, it's yours now.
Thank you, Kishore and Nidhi, for holding up so far. So yeah, good morning, teachers, and I really want to congratulate all of them because you are the star teachers of the month. So big clap for you guys. And secondly, I request all the teachers, the learning would be more fun and interactive if you could switch on your cameras, and it would be very nice. If possible, please. Okay, so I'm gonna talk a bit about Nidhi. Nidhi, as you can see, her surname Patel. She's from Gujarat. Yeah, she born and brought up in Gujarat, and she's from a very small city like Vadodara, and that somehow connect all three of us. We are being connected from a small places. Like Kishore is from Chennai, Nidhi is from Vadodara, myself is from Modinagar, Uttar Pradesh. So we being from the small towns, we have seen we all have the burning desire in our eyes to change the world, and that's how we got a platform called as CREE. That's all three of us connect again. So again, like Nidhi and I was doing the same masters as in the CREE. So she was my senior during my master program in AIV at Paris, and she guided me all the way during my master, because our master is not an easy program. We have a 2 years of a challenging program, and we are so busy in doing our internship, creating projects all together, and writing the thesis work. So I think one of the this is the beauty of our master program, and this is the beauty of of CREE itself. Like everyone supports each other, and when you have an Indian supporter and especially a sister like Nidhi, that's an amazing for me. So I think I can't think of doing my master or even completing my master without Nidhi is possible for me. So and this is the research thing that connect us, and we have done a lot of trips in terms of research together. Like we have been to US together, because this is the shared thing we connect, that is a synthetic biology. So if you know, in the synthetic biology, iGEM is a big brand. So maybe after going home you can Google about it, iGEM, so you will come to know a lot about synthetic biology through iGEM. So we traveled for the research together to US as well. Then we did a workshop together in Germany, and I think Corona stops us, but we did online virtual workshop together, or a hackathon, that is an AMR based hackathon. And now we are looking, I don't know what would be our next destination towards the research, so we are really looking for it. Apart from the research, we are also like share our food together. Nidhi is best cook. She really cooks amazing food. So you can invite her for the dinner, or maybe she will invite you guys. And currently she is doing her science. She's a scientist at Purvi Pharma, and after having her first master from Vadodara, after having her second master from CREE Paris, everyone thinks of doing a PhD, but she was the one who don't want to be in the conventional setting of the research. She break the barriers, and for that, reaching to that point, she took her time to reach there. She was being an industrial researcher at UK as well. Then she was designing a game for the AMR. So if you guys know, the biggest threat for this century is the AMR, antimicrobial resistance. The antibiotics that we are currently using, that gonna fail by 2050. So she is developing a game for it. And then Afterwards, she moved to Germany. She is working as a scientist in the plasma therapy, and she is finding out new novel proteins in the plasma that can be used as a therapeutics for the drug development. And up in the company itself, also she's handling more than 3 projects. She's also working on the AI platform. So I think you can find her. Always like busy with multiple projects. Also, like the one of the shared interest that we share is the learning. She for her when i want I want to talk to her about her dream of learning. She want to create a community of the learning, where learning is based on the critical thinking, where everyone is open to teach each other, and where everyone is open to have an open discussion about it. It's not should It should be beyond school education. That's her the biggest dream she wants to attain. She's very humble lady, and I always love to work with her. You always find her smiling. You always find her smiling.
Thank you so
So
much.
I think let's continue. So the way we did it, this exercises like Nidhi shared. Nidhi introduced Kishore. Kishore introduces me, I introduces you, I introduces Nidhi. So in the similar way, I'm gonna make a pair of two person, and each of you need to discuss a bit about yourself, and then other person gonna introduce you. For example, Millie and Sunita, if they Millie and Sunita ma'am would be in the same room, so Sunita ma'am will introduce the Millie ma'am, and Millie ma'am will introduce the Sunita ma'am. So I hope the intent of the activity is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm quickly gonna create the breakout rooms for each other, and me, Nidhi, Kishore, we gonna switch the breakout rooms in the between if you guys have any trouble. So this workshop would be this activity would be of 5 minutes. So quickly exchange your ideas, and mainly it's about the introduction, uh, like who you are and what you are doing currently and what motivates you to be a teacher. Kishore and Nidhi, feel free to add anything if I miss.
Yes, you can yeah, go ahead with creating the breakout rooms, Nina. And yeah, teachers, I think they are clear about the activity. Two guiding questions would be, what are your passions and dreams, and why did you become a teacher? These two questions you can ask the other person in the breakout room, and formulate a brief introduction for them. And if possible, you can also observe or share something that the other person don't know about themselves, that they fail to understand or see by themselves. For example, if Divya ma'am doesn't know that she always winks when she talks, that other person can say one small thing about interesting thing about the other person like this. So yeah, that's the activity. Now Nena will be creating the breakout rooms. Each of you will get to know each other's dreams and passions, and why in the first place you all became a teacher, and will share it with us about the other person.
All teachers know everyone here, or some of don't know each other.
Hello, hello, ma'am, I'm audible. Ashraf, ma'am, I'm audible. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
actually we need to introduce ourselves. So first आप इंट्रोड्यूस करिए, फिर मैं करता हूँ. आप अपने आप को
Okay.
इंट्रोड्यूस करिए.
Sir, I'm Ashraf Zaidi.
हम्म.
I am social science teacher. I am teaching here since last 20 years. I did MA in economics and B.Ed from Rohtak University and MA from Meerut University. I was always wanted to become a teacher. It is really a very noble job, and I want to serve my country as a teacher, and I want to believe in a real life situation. I want to teach my students as to become a well informed citizen, and I always love all my children, and they also respect me.
Okay. So that's it from your side, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my name is Puneet, and I have done my masters in psychology, and currently I am pursuing postgraduate diploma in guidance and counseling from Jamia Millia Islamia, and I am also worked as a school counselor and PGT psychologist in a private school. And yes, I choose teaching because teaching helped me to feel happy, and I just love to build up my knowledge with the help of distributing it. So when I'm distributing my knowledge, I'm just creating myself, and I'm start building myself on with the help of this. So thank
Yes, sir.
you, ma'am. That's it from my side.
Okay, sir. Anything else, sir?
I think we should leave this room and again connect meeting.
Okay, sir.
मैम सिर्फ
Ashraf ma'am as well.
Ashraf Saidi.
Uh,
I think we should drop ma'am and sir and emphasis on calling us by name, and we should follow it as well.
okay. So
Right.
Ashraf and Puneet, have you finished your sharing?
yes, yes.
Okay. Hello, Sharvesh.
Um,
Hello. Can you hear us?
Hello, ma'am.
So, I think you recently joined the activity, right? Or have you been to the breakout room?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we quickly say or sum up what we have done to you? Uh, so we have introduced ourselves, and we're gonna talk about what we gonna do for workshop. And the activity was how one teacher know another one, and what motivates you to teach. So I think you can do this exercise with Kishore if you want in 2 minutes quickly. And Nana, can you put service and Kishore in a one room, or even
Yeah.
you can do?
There is a Sarvesh and Ashraf. They can go together.
No, I
Ashraf was
think
already Pune.
yes.
They just came back from breakout room.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay, Kishore, you can join the room too.
yes. Breakout rooms number 2. Join.
So Puneet, everybody who are not here, some of people are attending this with YouTube link.
I again share this Zoom meeting link in the group. So I think there is a misunderstanding there. Because when I share this YouTube link, they will join with this YouTube link only.
Oh, okay, okay.
हेलो पुनीत सर,
Hello, ma'am.
सॉरी फॉर लेट ज्वाइनिंग। मैं बहुत देर से आई एम ट्राइंग टू कनेक्ट, पता नहीं वो फिर मैंने प्रेरणा मैम से बात की, उन्होंने बताया ऊपर एग्री और कंडीशंस आती हैं, उसके बाद आई ज्वाइन, एबल टू ज्वाइन।
It's okay.
Hello, Divya ma'am. Welcome.
आई लीव ब्रेकआउट टू। हेलो प्रेरणा मैम, वी आर नाउ इन लाइव सेशन।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हेलो नाज़मा मैम।
हेलो मैम।
हेलो
हेलो दिव्या मैम।
हेलो दिव्या मैम,
Good
कैसे हो? What about your health, ma'am?
Ma'am, better than before. Good morning, ma'am. Sorry for late joining. Actually, I was trying to join, but there are some issues. So I talked to the Prerna ma'am.
Yeah.
Then she asked me that you have to click on agree button, then you are only able to join.
No problem, ma'am. It's nice of you to have joined despite your health issues. Enjoy the session.
Ma'am.
I was talking to Giri ma'am, but I know what she is doing, so it was very quick. But yeah, we managed to know about her. So
Yeah, great. So then we can go one by one, and you can introduce the other person that you interacted with. I will go by the order on my screen. So yeah, let's see. First, I have on my screen next to Nena. Nena did not talk with anyone, so I'm going with the Divya Sharma.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. I am going to introduce Prerna ma'am. I am working with her from last 2 years. I really enjoy working with her. We always do tasks with mutual discussion, whatever task assigned to us. She is coordinator of primary wing, and she is very polite. From Prerna, I come to know from her name, I come to know Prerna is P for polite, E for rejoice, E for eager to learn, R for reliable she is, and for she is very nice person. A for she always adaptable for changes. She never say no to anything. She is very dedicated towards her work and always keen to help others and always keen to learn the new things. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you very much, Divya ma'am. And I would like to drop ma'am now, so please call me by my name. Thank you very much, Divya. And I'm going ahead with Millie, who is on the next order. Yes.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. I like to introduce my fellow teacher, that is Nazima ma'am. She is the primary coordinator. And to what she told me, I came to know that she is a very artistic kind of person because she loves reading stories. She writes shairis, and she is also fond of music, also listening music, also. So she is a very like artistic kind of person, and that is also required in primary classes. Such artistic teacher is required because lot of drawings should be drawn there for teaching students. So she's that kind of teacher, very good. And my certain passions also resemble with her, because as she loves to listen music, I'm also a good listener of music. And second thing, she become a teacher because she that is her passion. And also she said that she earned respect. We all can earn respect in this profession, that's why she is here. So that's all from my side.
Thank you so
Beautifully
much, Lily ma'am,
summarized.
for such a nice introduction.
Thank you, Nazima ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Then I think it's logical that Natsima can introduce now Millie, so we can go pairwise. Yeah,
So my name is Nazima.
Nazima, sorry for
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
Okay, vice versa, I have to introduce my fellow, Millie Sangal. She is very new to me because we are not interact so much, but as I know her, she is a club activity in charge, and why she become teacher is a very I actually come to know that her mother was a lecturer and she fond of little ones, the one she is around with always. So she become teacher, that's why. And her passion, which really makes me happy and smile, she even writes small stories. She is a very good cook. She even have a YouTube channel for that. I also a follower of her.
हैं और समय समय पर हमारी हेल्प करती रहती हैं उन बच्चों के साथ करती हैं
And her passion is cooking, even dancing. I just request her to have a one session of dancing with us if she can. And she is a very passionate person, passionate and helping.
Thank you very much, Nasima. It's
Thank you, Nazima ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And the next on screen would be, it keeps changing. Okay, it's Sunita Panchal.
Okay. Thank you, sir. And once again, a very warm good morning to everyone. I and Asha ma'am, actually we both have been with Siddharth for the last 31 years. She teaches Hindi and I teach English. And I think to summarize about her in these a few minutes, I think will be an injustice, but I would like to try my best. Asha ma'am is very passionate about her subject Hindi, and as I told you that we have a very we have completed a long journey, and we always have been together. And I have so many times observed her teaching and her interaction with the students. She is always so calm and composed, and whenever she explains any concept or a topic, she explains it with a thorough depth and passion, and the students enjoy her classes. And till date, sometimes I have come across a few I just would like to mention one, like I have come across a few students who would like to have her phone number because somehow they missed it and they want to connect with the Asha ma'am, and how they missed the school, Asha ma'am, her teaching, her her love, her passion for the students. So she's a great human being, she's a great teacher. Her passion reflects in her personality. She's a great person. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for a very touching
Thank you,
and
Sunita ma'am. Thank
beautiful.
you very much. You're very welcome, Asha ma'am.
Asha, then you can now introduce Sunita Panchal, please.
यस सर, मैं सुनीता मैम को 31 ईयर्स से जानती हूँ, क्योंकि हम दोनों ने साथ ही ज्वाइन किया था, साथ ही हम लोगों की ज्वाइनिंग हुई थी। और सुनीता मैम इंग्लिश टीचर थी और मैं हिंदी पढ़ाती थी, तो हम दोनों की बॉन्डिंग काफ़ी अच्छी रही है। और सुनीता मैम भी बच्चों के साथ बहुत ही मेहनत, बहुत ही लगन से इन्होंने बच्चों के साथ मेहनत की है, बच्चों को पढ़ाया है, और जैसा कि एंजॉय भी करती हैं और काफ़ी लोगों के साथ एंटरटेन करती हैं। इनकी जो नेचर है वो भी बच्चे काफ़ी एंजॉय करते हैं, क्लास को भी काफ़ी एंजॉय कराते हैं, लेकिन इसके साथ साथ डिसिप्लिन में भी बच्चों को रखती है। और बच्चे कई बार होते हैं तो सुनता
I did not understand quite thoroughly, but I hope then, yeah.
Her, she's very disciplined. She teaches everything with manner and passion. And since they both are language teachers, they connect very well with each other. And she enjoy her teaching, and she would like to teach language with passion to coming generation. And she apart from language, she teach discipline as well.
Nice.
Thank you, Asha ma'am. Thank you, Nidhi ma'am.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you very much. Then I can go ahead. Yes, Sunita, no, go ahead.
I just wanted to say one thing. Actually, we have been meeting, interacting and talking, but thank you so much for actually giving us these special 5 minutes, just me and Asha ma'am bonding. Thank you once again.
Thank you very much. We are very happy to hear that actually. Thank you very much. And now I can go ahead with Indra Gaur. Hello, Indra ma'am. Can you hear us? Indra ma'am? Okay, I think she's not able to hear us. So I'm going ahead with Prerna Jain.
Good morning, everyone. I'm introduced to Divya ma'am. It's a very lovely experience working with Divya ma'am since last 2 years. She's very helpful
मैम वो
to others.
आपका नाम पुकार रहे थे बोलने के लिए, आप अनम्यूट करके कोशिश करो बोलने की।
She is always ready to help others. She done her NET from UGC. She's also done her MBA from Aligarh University. She's a very good cook. She loves dancing also. I love to working with her. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Prerna ma'am. I think Divya ma'am had already introduced you, if I remember correctly.
Yes.
So yeah, then I'm going ahead with Puneet Gupta.
Yes, so thank you so much and good morning everyone. Actually, Ashraf ma'am is there in my room. So yes, Ashraf ma'am worked with the school from many years, and she teaches social science over there, and also handling middle wing students, and she is a great person. And yes, one more thing, actually I interact with her very little, because this is not my subject and I'm not belong to that middle wing also. So that's it from my side, but she's a great person and she's very polite and very humble.
Thank you, Puneet. So we should have Ashraf now introducing you. Can we have Ashraf Zaidi? Yes, please.
Thank you, Puneet sir. Yes, a very lovely good morning to all of you. and I'm lucky enough to part of this session. Yes, yes, sir. Puneet sir shared room with me, and he is a very noble and kind person. Is very soft spoken. He is the master of child psychology. He conducted several sessions, and in a short span of time, we will well connected. And he is now he is doing guide and counseling master's degree from Jamia University. He is also very soft spoken, and he also motivates children towards their studies, and he know very well about the child psychology and motivate all the childrens towards their behavior. Several students changes about his noble guidance. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, both of you, for sharing, about each other. And now I would like to request Bhumika to share or introduce their pair.
First of all, a very good morning to all of you, and thank you so much for giving this opportunity for being a part of such a great initiative. And I would like to introduce my co-worker, Priyanka ma'am. And she is not just a co-worker for me anymore, because in these last 3 months, I just joined the school recently in the month of March, and we have become more than the co-workers. We are at a good level of friendship now, I guess, and we share a lot of common interests, I guess. So that's what we are connected with. We both are actually a fun-filled and joyous person, and what I can say, she wanted to become a teacher because she was actually fond of writing on the blackboard and checking out notebooks out there. So that's what instilled that part of becoming a teacher in her. And she also wants to eradicate poverty, so she wanted to open schools in rural areas mostly. So I think that's what my idea is all about also. So we connect on this level for sure, and I would like to know about her more in future also. So thank you so much, Priyanka ma'am, for being such a great co-worker and a friend. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much. And yeah, Priyanka, go ahead.
Okay, so I was with Bhumika ma'am in my breakout room. So she's a fun kind of person, and she wants to work on a ground level for the students who are underprivileged, and she's multi-talented. Like she wants to dance, she wants to sing. So she has very multi-talented interest in her. She has multi-talented skills in her. So yeah, she's a good friend of mine, and that's it.
Thank you, Priyanka. And I now go ahead with, I think, Geeta Mehta. If you can hear, yes, please.
Sorry. Good morning, everyone. I'm going to introduce to Nikita ma'am. Actually, Nikita ma'am is from Delhi. She works in Siddharth International Public School as a PGT Physics, and she is our activity in charge and science club in charge also. Actually, Nikita ma'am, she wants to become a teacher because when she used to teach her college friends, they appreciate her for the same every time. So she chose a teaching profession. Her hobbies are dancing and traveling. She wants to reach in high in educational sector, and want to excel in every aspect of that. She is a very good person, helpful in every She helps us to every area, and she is a very great person. Thank you, Nikita ma'am. That's all.
Thank you very much, Geeta. And Nikita, please go ahead.
Thank you, Geeta ma'am, for my such a lovely introduction. And if we talk about Geeta ma'am is basically from Uttarakhand, and she has been in Delhi since 2005. So she is teaching in Siddharth International Public School from 5 to 6 years. And if we talk about her educational background, she is MSc in geology and is teaching science here in a very good manner to the students. And I would say yes, students love her too. And if we talk about that, what inspired her is that she told me that there was one teacher of biology in her school days. Her ways of teaching, her behavior and everything inspired her so much, so that she became so motivated to become a teacher in the future. And so finally here she is. And she is very good in dancing. We all know that. Whenever there is some teacher system or jam session in Siddharth, everyone says the name, please call Geeta ma'am. So you can have an idea that how passionate she is about that and good in it. So she is a very good dancer and she cooks well too. And her passion is that she wants to become a very good science teacher, so that there can be nothing she could not know about. And she is, yes, if we talk about her nature, she is very humble and down to earth, and I have always found her very nice whenever I talk to her in this school. So it has been a very great journey with her. I love her actually. So she is funny too. So that was all about her from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, Nikita ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, both of you. And did I miss anyone so far? I think I missed.
The Sarvesh Devi ma'am, with who I was in breakout room.
Yes.
And you as well, right? You were all, the similar person.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. So I'm gonna talk in Hindi since Sarvesh ma'am Sarvesh ma'am, I had really little time with her because of the breakout activity was quite small. So मुझे जितना समझ में आया that ma'am संस्कृत पढ़ाती है and उनका कहना ये है और वो ये मानती है कि वो क्यों संस्कृत पढ़ाती है. संस्कृत का मीनिंग ही संस्कृति है और वो चाहती है कि ये चीज़ दिन ब दिन कम होती जा रही है, तो ये आने वाले बच्चों को संस्कृत पढ़ाना चाहती है क्योंकि ये हमारा पार्ट ऑफ द कल्चर है और ये हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम हमारा कल्चर ना भूलें. एंड संस्कृत एक तरीका है जिससे हम हमारे कंट्री से और कल्चर से रूटेड रह सकते हैं. और ये 6 साल से संस्कृत पढ़ा रही है, हाँ ना मैम? और
yes ma'am
6 साल से और बेसिक ग्रामर भी पढ़ाती है और श्लोका एंड ऑल दैट. अगर किसी को और कंफ्यूजन हो देन आल्सो शी करेक्ट एंड she think it's not just a language, it's a way of expression for our culture and community. And मैंने भी उनको बोला कि मैं ऐसे कई लोगों से मिली हूँ जर्मनी में, इवन रशिया में, जो इंडिया जाते हैं संस्कृत सीखने के लिए, और मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है कि जब इंडियंस को संस्कृत नहीं आता है. तो उन्होंने ये भी बोला कि she would love to even teach other international student in future. So that's all about video. Yeah.
Thank you ma'am.
And thank you, Nidhi, so much for a lovely introduction, which I partly understood. And also, I will brief it with you later. So I think Indra has trouble hearing us. And apart from her, if I missed anyone, could you please volunteer yourself to introduce the other person? And sorry for missing you.
Who was with Indira ma'am?
I think Sunita ma'am.
No ma'am, I think Durgesh ma'am.
Durgesh.
Okay.
I was with Asha ma'am.
Okay, sorry. Durgesh ma'am.
Hello everyone.
myself Durgesh Nandini. Now I am going to introduce Mrs. Indra Gaur ma'am. She is PhD Home Science, she is PhD Biology and also coordinator of senior beings. She is so cooperative as well as able to handle all the situation in which we feel worry, but she can manage very easily. She is very passionate about her subject, and she is also calm and have so much patience. So she also have ability of leadership or managing and everything, which she know very well how to handle any situation. So I'm very impressed to her. Okay. Oh.
Okay. Am I audible? Am I audible to?
Yes, yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So I don't know what is going on during the meeting, but now tell me what I have to do. There are something going in different rooms. I don't know what is going there, what was going there, but
I can quickly summarize, Indra. So we are introducing ourselves about each other. So now at the moment it was, if I remember correctly, Durgesh Nandini was introducing you, and you were with her in a breakout room. So after her, you will be then introducing Mrs. Durgesh Nandini, and yeah, that's the only thing that's going on.
We are not able to communicate each other. So ma'am is not know क्या करना था हमें.
Okay. I'll give just a small introduction of Durgesh ma'am to all of you. First of all, sorry for the problem that I faced, and I'm not be the part of that program. And very warm good morning to all of you. Very happy to see all of you here. Mrs. Durgesh Nandini is working with us since from a long time, and she's very, very good in behavior, in nature, in her work, and she's very much passionate about her work. She is PGT Home Science, working as home science teacher, and she is the you can see she is the odor of our school. A very good smell of different dishes around us when she cooks and serves in a very good manner, and the children are very happy. Girls and the boys of our school are very happy taking home science and enjoying the subject, and she loves very much to the children, the students doing very well. And also at the end of our team, she's also working very well and very sincere in her work. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, both of you. Thank you very much. And yeah, I think we have covered almost everyone. And I'm just a bit surprised to see all of the teachers except Puneet sir are women, and kudos actually for that, to taking up such a brave role and time demanding role while maintaining family and maintaining children about 30 to 40. I'm just little flabbergasted how one can manage such things. So thank you very much for all of you for taking the time on a Saturday, especially out of a busy schedule that you all have, and be part of our workshop. And it was very heartwarming to hear your stories about each other and how you feel and perceive each other. And there is so much to learn for us actually. And so yeah, I'm deeply moved. Thank you very much. And I let Nidhi and Nena take over from here.
Sure, there is one question from my side.
Yes.
In your presentation, in one slide of germination of L4S, there is one slide, and it's written class in abbreviation form. So it had a certain full form. You have
Yes.
written class in abbreviation forms.
Yes, it's community learning for action, if I remember correctly, sustainable solutions.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Community learning and action for sustainable solutions is what class stands for.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. So, Nidhi, please.
Yes. Uh, Thank you so much, Kishore and all of the teacher. As Kishore says, I will switch in Hindi and English. Okay, Kishore, if you don't mind, because most of the people understand here Hindi.
Please go ahead.
Yeah. आप सब लोगों ने यहाँ आके 1 घंटा स्पेंड किया और हम लोग के साथ ये जो भी एक्टिविटी की, इट्स अ ग्रुप एक्टिविटी जिसमें मेन पर्पस था कि हम एक दूसरे को जाने. मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज कि हम कभी कभी ना हम एक दूसरे के साथ जो काम करते हैं और वो लोग कितने इम्पोर्टेंट है और वो किसी एक चीज़ में बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, वो हम कभी कभी भूल जाते हैं. तो इट वॉज एक्टिविटी टू नो अबाउट कि उनके अंदर क्या अच्छा है. तो आप नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी स्कूल पे जाए तो आपने जो भी एक्टिविटी की है ना, मैंने जितना भी सुना, माई ऑब्जर्वेशन इज ऑल द टीचर हैव मोर देन 2 डोमेन्स, नॉट ओनली टीचिंग. सब्जेक्ट तो आप पढ़ाते ही हो, बट किसी ने बोला सो ऑल आर वेरी मल्टी टैलेंटेड टीचर. लैंग्वेज टीचर जो भी होते हैं, आई अप्रिशिएट अ लॉट. आई लिव्ड इन फ्रांस, आई लिव इन जर्मनी. मुझे बहुत ही पता, इवन गुजरात, आई कैन फील सेम लाइक अगर किशोर और हम बात करते हैं तो वी कांट सेट द कॉमन लैंग्वेज. सो सब लोग को 2 से 3 लैंग्वेज तो आती ही होगी, और जो लोग संस्कृत, हिंदी, इंग्लिश और बच्चों को हैंडल करते हैं, आई एम सो ग्लैड टू सी कि आप लोग, और साथ साथ में एज किशोर सेड, एवरीवन इज वुमन, ऑल आर पार्ट ऑफ द फैमिली एंड हैंडलिंग हाउस होल्ड एंड टीचिंग, which is a great responsibility for coming generation. And the great thing I like, all are multi-talented, as I said, not in one thing, but more than one thing: cooking, art, language, which is I'm so glad to share this information with all of you, and I'm so glad that we all know each other in that way as well. So I'm gonna pass the mic to Nana, and we quickly sum up for coming workshop and activity. What we gonna do? It's gonna be more excited than this, I can promise that, and it's gonna be really fun learning and know about each other, and it's gonna be always an interactive session. As Millie ma'am asked a question, I'm so happy. So whenever you think आपको कोई भी question है, बेझिझक you can unmute yourself, और कोई भी answer करने के लिए हमेशा ready रहता. और स्कूल में भी अगर कोई भी बच्चे क्वेश्चन करते हैं तो एज अ किड वी यूज्ड टू नो दैट हमें टीचर्स बोल देते थे कि ये बहुत ही ऐसा सवाल कौन करता है. तो ऐसा यहाँ पे बिल्कुल मत सोचना. बहुत ही सिली और स्टूपिड क्वेश्चन आप हम लोग को आप पूछ सकते हैं, और वी आर ओपन टू आंसर ऑल योर क्वेश्चन, एंड वी आर ओपन टू लर्न एज वेल. थैंक यू सो मच.
I think Nidhi and Kishore has covered up everything, so there is nothing left for me. Only thing that I want to say, in 21st century we are talking a lot about this woman empowerment, and if I see myself from the school ages until now, I have seen always a high proportion of the teachers in the school settings and a low proportion of male teachers in the school. That's I think somewhere maybe this is what I observed personally, and today on my screen even I can see like there's only one male teacher and rest of the female teachers. So really, like as Kishore said, kudos to us, and I think this picture clearly depicts and how women can change the world, and how women can be the multitasker of this generation and this century, and how impactful that can be. So I think like you are serving, Sunita ma'am said she's serving the nation from last 31 years, and only there are 3 noble professions that has been considered in all over the world. Is teaching is one of them, the noble profession, because we are the creators and we are the one who educate people and who can bring the revolution also. And when women are the educators, then I think something beyond imagination is gonna happen. Because like also if I will talk bit culturally as well, मैं हिंदी में उसको बोलती हूँ कि कहते हैं कि बेटी एक घर को नहीं पढ़ाती, 2 घर को पढ़ाती है. और when teachers are educating, then we are creating like 1,000 houses and 1,000 people. So let's go beyond that and let's create a ripple moment from there. And we're gonna learn from each other in each workshop. For example, like one of my favorite subject used to be Sanskrit. And in 9th and 10th standard, so I think I'm gonna learn a lot from Sharvesh ma'am about Sanskrit a lot. So I think it's gonna be a huge learning experience for all of us. So I just want to we have a small activity for all of us. So for the next time, so each of us will come up with one new tool for the learning. So for example, that tool may help us in the COVID education specifically, and you have to figure out the advantages and the disadvantages of this tool. So for example, in the COVID, I think everyone is using Zoom. So Zoom is one tool that can help in education. So Zoom is that tool. So what are the advantages of Zoom and what are the disadvantages of Zoom? So I personally, what I feel like Zoom has made this learning experience more reachable, right? So when Bhumika was talking about Priyanka wants to go to the every rural part and teach each and every student. So I think using Zoom, that is possible nowadays. If I think everyone nowadays is having a smartphone in their pocket, so you can connect to a lot of people around us. And today the session is on YouTube. So not only right now 19 teachers are learning, I think if there are more people who are aware about YouTube, so millions of people can learn through it. So that's the power of YouTube or the Zoom. But there are disadvantages as well, because somewhere we miss that physical contact also. Somewhere we miss the emotional capability. And so this is the small activity for the next time. So we will start with this. So come up with new novel tools, because there are 1,000 now existing and more have been creating during the Corona times. So I will find out my tool and you can find your tool and we will talk about it. That's how we're gonna start. Okay?
Yes.
Nana, I'm sure Kishore and Puneet sir are not offended with they being in minority and becoming teachers. But I am telling you that times are changing. You know, they are now men who like to cook are called chefs, and we cook and we are called chalo ye to this is ghar ka kaam. So but then things are changing slightly, you know, more people are getting into education, more men are becoming more compassionate. They are supposed to be the ones who don't wear pink and they don't cry. Kishore is smiling, but then now I see men wearing pink and peach and shedding tears and showcasing their disappointment. So I'm sure things are changing and we're moving towards a more emotionally balanced atmosphere.
Exactly.
I'm hoping for more males to join the teaching profession, because I'm interviewing these days, so they keep coming. So I know that there are people who would like to become educators. So Puneet sir and Kishore, I hope that has made you happy. And for this session, Nana, thank you, Nidhi, thank you, Kishore. I just wanted to say that this was just an ice-breaking session. This was also one of the things that you can do in your classroom, teachers, that when you have a new set of classroom, or when you have passed 6 months with your students, maybe you could ask them to gel together and talk about each other and develop the warm atmosphere that you want in your classrooms. You could take back all these activities in the classroom. And thank you, the team, for doing this ice-breaking thing. And I'm sure we connected well. We realized that we are more than PGT English and PGT Biologies and PGT Psychology and PGT Economics. We are more than that. We are persons first, and it's important to embrace each other in other manners as well. Thank you so much. Thank you. This was enjoyable.
Ma'am, Puneet sir is wearing pink t-shirt today also.
That's why I mentioned, ma'am. To be more precise, he's wearing peach and a lovely combination of blue collar. So I that's why I mentioned specifically that pinks and peaches are no more for girls, even men wear.
Nana ma'am, can I take a minute to just wish my coordinator Prerna ma'am have a happy birthday. So I just
it's a
happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Prerna ma'am.
One thing, ma'am, one question from my side.
Happy birthday, Prerna ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Happy birthday, Prerna
Happy
ma'am.
birthday, Prerna ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am, can I push one question?
Happy birthday.
Can we
Prerna
use
ma'am.
some tools more than one?
You're single.
Yeah, please.
So I think Prerna ma'am's birthday today, so why don't we all sing a happy birthday just for her?
Thank you, Kishore.
Happy
Kishore, one more thing I want to
birthday.
say that I think we should switch on our cameras, every one of us, and let's take a group picture. This will stay like the memory of the very first session we had. It will be like a nice thing to do for posterity. We can all switch on your cameras and you can take a camera photograph.
Screenshot.
I will take a screenshot.
Are you going to press print screen? Because that's what I do. That's how I know how to take photographs on the screen.
Yeah, Charu ma'am, could you please switch on your camera?
I will. I was, in the first 15 minutes I was driving, so I had to kind of switch it off. But then I reached office, so now I can meet you all. कौन सा बच्चा बोल रहा है पीछे से?
Asha ma'am.
Asha ma'am, we would like to see you. Camera on कर लीजिए Asha ma'am.
मैम आपका कैमरा काम नहीं कर रहा है.
तुम चुप रहो, अभी काम करेगा, ठहर जाओ. ये Zoom है, Google Meet नहीं है. He is such a bully, my God.
So I request
I
everyone
am there.
to.
Can you see me? Excuse me,
Yes.
Puneet sir. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Please wave
Yes.
back. You have to take your words back now. Take your words back.
Ma'am, now your camera is working.
Then I request everyone to join me in wishing my friend Prerna ma'am for happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Prerna ma'am. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so
May
much,
you
all of
live
you. Thank you so
long.
much. Thank you so much.
And party is
I think
due.
Prerna ma'am, this is the first birthday during COVID times that we are wishing all together virtually.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise,
yes.
there are just WhatsApp messages. Happy birthday,
ma'am.
happy birthday for everybody. So
Yes,
yours
ma'am.
is the first birthday one
Which we are
online.
celebrating virtually.
Ma'am, after the workshop, I'm coming to school also.
Okay. So I think this has become a very special day, and I'm so much happy. I didn't expect, but yeah, I'm starting the day. It's almost 7:45 here with a very positive and happy feeling. So thank you all for that, and wish you best of luck for the upcoming weeks, and we will see you in the upcoming weeks as well.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Kishore, this sirring and madaming is not going to stop because it's a very, when I used to work in Chennai for 3 years, my boss told me it's a very North Indian thing. So sirring and madaming won't stop even if you make an effort. It's down south that we don't use these, designations. We call each other by name. That shows mutual respect and equality. But here you will not get rid of sirring and madaming. It won't happen.
Okay.
You try your level best.
Okay, I'll try my level
It's a
best.
very North Indian thing.
I'll try, and if I might change.
It should. If we make it as a norm, I don't think my team is going to have any offenses. I don't think anybody will mind if we call them by their name minus the ma'am and sir. So Puneet to Puneet है, फिर सर्वेश मैम को हम सर्वेश ही बुलाएंगे. चलेगा सर्वेश मैम?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
देखो, she's happy.
Yeah, super. No, so by taking
Since it's an international event, teachers, let's restrict to this. Let's respect what Kishore sir is saying. Kishore is saying, let's call each other by a first name. That will, I'm sure, bring us much closer.
And being said that, I have deep respect, and I do not use sir and ma'am repressing that respect for you. So yeah, so please feel free to call me by my name. And that's it. Thank you very much, Charu ma'am, for giving us this opportunity, and Charu for giving us this opportunity to be on this floor with your teachers and your school, and my colleagues who did an excellent effort in the previous weeks as well. So yeah, thank you all.
3 of you in the previous meetings used to call me Charu. Abhi Charu ma'am kaise aa raha hai? You have a habit of calling me Charu, so I don't think you should be having a problem with that. ठीक है, done. Okay, teachers, see you. Please carry on. Have a great day and a great weekend.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. So much,
Thank you,
ma'am.
everyone. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye,
Once
everyone.
again,
everyone.
once again, a good morning.
Interaction